Okay, the high resolution design. I'm sure you're excited to see all of our hard work come together here. So, the assumption here, by the way, is that you've been given approval, once again, by your client or your coworkers, your boss, whomever. They are pleased with the way everything is functioning in terms of the wireframe. So now we want to apply design to that wireframe. Okay, so that's where we are. So we're going to get things started here by making a couple of minor adjustments to it would be the high resolution media query, and then we'll jump in and we'll start formatting the header and the main navigation menu and so on. So without further ado, here we go. I'm going to head over to my coding application. Again, I've said this a number of times earlier on and in previous exercises. You really have to be careful here. You really have to make sure that you're in the right media query. Okay, so for us, it's the high resolution media query down towards the bottom of the external style sheet. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for my body. Now, this is up towards the top of the high resolution media query. The first thing that I want to do is I want to set a font for the overall layout, the overall document itself. So just after the background there, I'm going to go font-family, okay, like so, and I'm going to use Verdana myself, okay, because that matches the layout that you and I built inside Photoshop the closest. There it is. And you can go ahead and save, and if you want to go and refresh your browser, that's perfectly fine. There's one other thing that I want to do here, though, before I actually go and do that. I'm going to look for my master, okay, just below the body. And what I want to do here is I just want to change his border color. So right now his border color is solid black, and I'm going to change that to a mid-gray for myself, anyway, for my layout. So I'm going to go 200, 200, 200. There we go. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and save and head back to my browser and refresh, and there we go. So just a couple of minor changes here, so I can see that the font has changed throughout my entire document, so we're using Verdana throughout, okay? And I can see that I have a nice light gray border all the way around the outside of my layout. Okay, so that's all I was after in this exercise. All right, now onward to the good stuff. We're going to go after our header and then the menu.